Hello everyone, welcome back to Alisa Beauty District channel. I have some pretty hairstyle to share with you today. 7 days, 7 hairstyle. I have split it into 2 videos because I think it's too long for you. There's 3 hairstyle in this video and 4 in the next, so let's jump right in. Number 1 style. We do need to gather all the hair and tie it up to the back, creating like a high ponytail. Feel free to add a hair bow, creating a really girly look. Take part of the hair, make it a simple 3-strand braid, and then when you finish, tie it up. We need to bring it across to the other side and wrap it once and then wrap it twice, like so. Crisscross to secure it just inside so nobody could see your pins. We need to tie the end part and wrap it around the fingers like a bun, then secure it to keep them in place. So I reckon this style is very polite, neat and very stylish. Second style, I leave my ponytail on and then take the underneath part of the hair, both left and right. Make sure it's smooth and then bring it over, like so. Tie them up with elastic. Split them again and now we're going to bring it back inside and then tie it up again. This simple style is done within 2 minutes. I love this look, so easy, you reckon? My third style, I take the top part of the hair and then tie it up. I run my finger through, make sure it's half, and then twist it like so. Split the ponytail into half and at the same time, take the part of the hair from the right and then bring it towards the back and tie it together. Repeat the same thing to the other side and make sure it's level. It's your options to twist it in like me or leave it just like that. Now we need to bring them all together and then tie it again. Add some cute hair pieces. Add color to your day, but this look very fun and cute. Thank you so much guys for your time. Love to see more hairstyling videos. Please like and subscribe for more ideas. So see you next video. Bye!